Have you ever wondered how to enhance your home decor with houseplants creatively? Well, there are lots of ways you can do this. I want to share with you several indoor plant decor ideas, and all are easy to do. We'll explore my favorite plant styling tips to help make your home feel really natural and planty without it feeling too overwhelming or cluttered. Each method not only adds a touch of nature to your space, but also brings a distinct aesthetic appeal. But first thing you should think about before working out how best to display your houseplants is work out where they are going to be most comfortable. Houseplants all thrive in different conditions, so you need to look into where yours will be happiest. But before this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Houseplants Love, and if you like the video, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Implementing creative plant display ideas can truly elevate your home decor. Let's dive right into the creative pool, shall we? First up, we have the inventive use of light fixtures. Place your houseplants on top of these light fixtures to bring a touch of greenery to your ceilings. It's a perfect solution for those who want to avoid drilling holes in the ceiling, yet still love the idea of hanging plants. If you want, learn about best hanging houseplants for home, you can check out our video, Top 10 Must-Have Low-Light Hanging Houseplant, link in description and I button. Next, let's talk about beaded trellises for climbing plants. This method adds a unique visual interest and gives your climbing plants a stylish support to grow on. For example, add a beaded trellis to Passiflora tripartita plant. Moving on, don't underestimate the charm of hanging small plants from larger ones. This technique helps you declutter your shelves and add depth to your plant display. It's like creating a multi-layered greenery that's both appealing and space-saving. Speaking of space, why not maximize the base of your larger plants? Incorporate smaller plants around their base, fill in the empty spaces, and create a lush mini garden in a pot. It's a simple trick that can dramatically change the look of your plant display. Now let's talk about cabinet decoration. Imagine a cabinet filled with vibrant green plants, becoming a living centerpiece in your home. It's a sight to behold and a surefire conversation starter for your visitors. You can also use Grow Light for good growth. If you want to learn about Grow Light, you could check out our video how to choose Grow Light for indoor plants. Link in description and I button. Speaking of creative displays, before we continue, if you're finding these ideas helpful and inspiring, don't forget to like this video. Your likes really help support the channel and let me know that you enjoy this type of content. Now let's dive back into the discussion. Then there's the lamp planter stand hack. Repurpose an old lamp into a stylish plant stand. This budget-friendly hack is perfect for those who want to add a touch of elegance to their plant display without breaking the bank. Clear jars are another unique way to display your plants. They allow you to observe the root growth and add a touch of transparency to your display. Whether for propagation or display, clear jars are definitely a plant lover's favorite. Next, consider incorporating natural wood elements into your display. The combination of green plants and wood can turn a simple display into a piece of extraordinary art. Lastly, unleash your creativity with handmade polymer clay planters. Craft your own planters, add personal touches, and turn your plant display into an artistic expression. As you can see, there are countless ways to creatively display your plants. From light fixtures to handmade planters, each method offers a unique way to showcase your green friends. So why stick to the traditional ways when you can be creative and innovative? After all, plants are not just for the garden. They can be a part of your living room, your kitchen, even your bedroom, making every corner of your house lively and vibrant. If you want to know best houseplants for bedroom, you can check our video, Best Indoor Plants You Should Keep in Your Bedroom. Link in description and I button. So go ahead, experiment with these above ideas and let your plants shine. Remember, the key to a great plant display is creativity and personal touch. I hope you found these ideas inspiring. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Houseplants Love, for more plant-related content. Thanks for tuning in.